I want to make sure that me and my family are drinking the cleanest water possible. That's why I ordered this PUR water filter. Let's check it out and see what it comes with. First, it comes with the instruction manual like you'd expect. It comes with the unit itself, comes with a bag of hardware, and it comes with 2 filters. So first, let's twist off the back cover. Then we're going to take one of the filters and we're going to insert it into the device. Don't worry, the filter will fit loosely, that's okay. Then we replace the back cover. Now we need to go to our sink and remove our original aerator and its washer. There's a chance that squeezing these buttons here can get it to fit onto your faucet without needing any adapter at all. Mine doesn't do that. If the device does not fit directly onto your faucet, then you can try each one of these faucet adapters that you will find inside of this little hardware bag. And if you can't find one that works for you, make sure you just contact PUR and they will get one for you. I'll start with the first adapter and washer to see if that works on my externally threaded faucet. I'll put the washer into the adapter and then screw it on. Now that it's screwed on, let's give it a test. Seems to work. Since it's working, let's adapt the unit to it. We do that by squeezing in those 2 white pieces there to open up that aperture, and then we just click it up and on until it clicks. And important to note here, the device does need to be level to make sure it fastens evenly. It seems to run there just fine. Now we can turn on the filtered water, and before the first use, we want to run cold water for 5 minutes in the filtered position. Now make sure you never run hot water through the water filter, just cold water, and every time you use it, make sure you let it run for 5 seconds in the filtered position to make sure you activate the filter. And if you ever need to clean it, just use a damp sponge or a soft cloth on the exterior of it. And it does come with a 2-year warranty offered by PUR. And I think it's going to be great for anybody who wants really good tasting water that's also super clean in their home without having to have like a cumbersome water filter pitcher or having to have it delivered or having to go to the store for it. This is the perfect, compact, useful tool that you need in your home.